Hey, what's going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com. Today I got another crypto video price prediction. We're going to be talking about Tron TRX, which is currently top 15 crypto, sitting right around 6 cents and a half. It's been doing pretty good right now, and I want you to pay attention to this right off the bat, guys. On all time frames, okay, in the last year as well, it is up over 6%. Now, I know that's not that impressive for the crypto space, but let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin, which is still down 26% in the last year, or Ethereum down 35%. Yes, you heard that right, guys. Tron has literally outperformed some of the biggest cryptos out there. In fact, it's outperformed most cryptos in the last year. It's performed well over time on top of that. But this is really what's most impressive, okay? In a very bearish year for crypto, Tron has not only remained steady, it's actually even gone up a little bit, okay? And I think that should not be ignored. Now, there's a lot of bullish things that I see in the future for Tron, currently sitting around a $6 billion market cap. That is still very low for Tron. Why is that? Well, if we look at some of the other big coins out there, especially proof of stake coins, Tron is obviously one of the bigger ones, right? But it's not as big as Solana, Cardano, BNB, etc. However, if we go ahead and take a look at DeFi Llama, which tracks the total value locked on the crypto chains, you'll see that Tron is actually at $5.5 billion in total value locked, which is absolutely huge. It's got a lot of decentralized apps with a lot of users. But guys, this is a big deal because most of its market cap, okay, is actually the TVL, right? And that's usually not the case, because if we compare it to some other cryptos, for example with Ethereum, $28 billion, but look at the market cap of ETH, guys, basically 10 times its total value locked, okay? So that means that if Tron was being valued like Ethereum based on TVL, it should be at a $60 billion market cap, okay? And that's really where I think we're heading in the next 2-3 years, and I think we could even reach 100 billion in market cap for Tron, right? So there is even more than a 10x potential on Tron. And on top of that, right, you're getting the steadiness, and it's a proof of stake crypto, which means you can get staking rewards. So this offers really a lot of benefits over some of the other cryptos that have been underperforming right now, right? Which Tron has been outperforming. Now, like I said, guys, 5.5 billion. Let's look at other big chains. Binance chain, less money on the Binance chain. Yes, the Binance Smart Chain has less money on it than the Tron network, okay? Arbitrum, half of it. Polygon, okay? Keep in mind, Polygon right here, $9 billion market cap. It's above the market cap of Tron, but it literally has way less total value locked than Tron, okay? And this goes on and on, guys. Literally, Tron is the second biggest crypto chain in terms of TVL out there, okay? I just want you guys to let that sink in a bit. And really, it's probably the best competitor against Ethereum, right? Not that they both can't do well together, but it's the only one that maybe poses a serious threat or could compete with it on the same scale as ETH, okay? Tron has TRC20 tokens. That's the equivalent of ERC20 tokens. So for example, you have Tether, right, USDT, on the Tron network, and that's TRC20 token USDT, okay? And actually, I believe it's either the first or second biggest amount of Tether on any network is on the Tron network. I've used it myself to move around transactions, etc. And it's absolutely amazing, guys. I mean, super low fees, usually $1 or less. And so many exchanges support the Tron network, which makes it really easy to send stuff around. So I've used it myself, guys, and they are not lying when they're talking about their high throughput, high scalability, high availability. All of this is real, okay? These are real benefits of the Tron network. There's a lot of huge companies that are partnered with Tron, and I think, you know, it's about time people start realizing this, okay? As Tron, whether you like it or not, is going to become one of the biggest networks out there, which it already is, but really one of the biggest cryptos in terms of those proof of stake cryptos out there, right? You can see the amount of accounts, over 150 million, billions of transactions, and of course a huge amount of money being moved around and locked into the Tron network. We'll look at this news piece here, right? Tron achieves a new milestone in terms of adoption. You can see that this is when they reached 150 million plus accounts. You can also see their exponential growth, and also You can see here, Justin Sun, right, founder of Tron, shared earlier that a large nation plans to legalize Tron as legal tender this year. Could it be China? If they endorse it, this could lead all BRICS countries to adopt the same approach. Now, whether this happens or not, you need to keep in mind that Tron is an Asian cryptocurrency, right? And due to its relation with China, as the Chinese markets, right, and China opens up to crypto, Chinese investors are going to mostly focus on what they know, right? They're going to focus on Asian cryptocurrencies. Tron is the biggest and best one. So I think a huge amount of money is going to flow into it. And that's going to create a lot of hype because we've already seen cryptos starting to pump based off this China-related news coming into the crypto market, okay? And of course, like I said, you have staking, which is another benefit of Tron. And its price is usually, at the very least, stable. And now we're even starting to see it move up higher again, okay? Now, I wanted to address this news. Binance US Exchange says bye-bye to Tron's TRX token. I'm not sure exactly what the reasoning was behind this. Of course, some type of regulatory concerns, but it doesn't matter, guys, because Tron is a global crypto, and single-handedly, the Chinese market can pump this to the moon, okay? So we'll look at the chart here. We've got a beautiful uptrend still holding very nicely. And actually, I do believe we may have broken out of this downtrend line right here. So we are back to full-blown uptrending on Tron. We did drop a bit, right, from the all-time high, like most cryptos, but not really as much as others. And on top of that, we have just a huge amount of support right here at around 5 cents. I don't think we're really going to go back that low. And I don't think we're going to fall below that pretty much ever again, okay? Because now I think what we're going to see is a slow build up and then more hype come in, and then it's going to go shoot up parabolic. And when that happens, guys, which, by the way, notice the slow but steady cup and handle formation here. When that happens, we will break above this previous 18-cent high, and we're going to be heading towards 50 cents, guys. And the best thing about this, right, is even if it hits 50 cents, 60 cents, Tron is not going to be overvalued, okay? Like many other cryptos out there. Why? Because it has the TVL behind it to, justify that valuation, right? Ethereum doesn't. Binance Chain doesn't, okay? In fact, the only major crypto that is in line with its TVL is Tron. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, you're watching the best crypto channel on YouTube, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, let me know your thoughts on Tron, go follow me on Twitter, link in the description below, and check out my technical analysis master course if you want to learn technical analysis trading. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe, and have a great day. I'll see you next time.